Writing style engaging. Okay, everyone, let's dive into a story that's heating up the political landscape in Zimbabwe. I'm talking about a recent explosive development within Zanu PF, where Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has reportedly launched a scathing attack on President Emerson Mnangagwa's son, Kuda Mnangagwa. Now, this isn't just family drama, this is high-stakes political maneuvering. So, who is Kuda Mnangagwa? Well, he's recently been appointed to a significant position within Zanu PF, one of Zimbabwe's major political parties. This move seems to have stirred quite the pot. Why? Because it's not just a simple case of nepotism. No, it's more complex. Kuda's appointment has sparked debates about the dynamics of power, succession, and loyalty within the party. Now onto the juicy part. Vice President Chiwenga, a key figure in the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, has openly criticized this appointment. His criticism isn't just a minor jab, it's a full-on political assault questioning the integrity and implications of Kuda Mnangagwa's rise within the party. What does this mean for Zanu PF and Zimbabwean politics? Well, it's like dropping a boulder in a pond. The ripples affect everything. Chiwenga's attack could signify a deepening rift within the party, possibly indicating power struggles and a fight for control that could shape the future of Zimbabwe's political landscape. So what's next? This is where it gets even more interesting. Observers and political enthusiasts are watching closely. Could this tension lead to a split within Zanu PF? Or will it somehow be resolved, keeping the party's unity intact? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. The stakes are incredibly high, not just for the individuals involved, but for the entire country. Stay tuned as this political drama continues to unfold. Trust me, you don't want to miss what happens next in this intriguing tale of power, betrayal, and political strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, stay engaged.